A recent high-profile heist in the heart of the city has rattled residents, prompting a re-evaluation of security protocols and an intensified law enforcement push to bring the culprits to justice.
In the heart of Calgary, crime was on the rise. But the city had a new hope.
Our beloved Calgary is in crisis. Crime rates have surged, and our city needs a new approach, something revolutionary.
What if we could watch over the entire city, Sarah? Have a constant, unblinking eye in the sky?
Drones could provide that advantage, giving us unprecedented coverage and insights from above.
Yeah, there's this young drone prodigy up in Saskatoon. They say he's got an unparalleled skill for aerial surveillance. They call him Karankreations.
Get me his contact information. We'll bring that boy from Saskatoon here to scan our city from above, giving us the upper hand in this battle against crime.
My thoughts have never been clearer. I see what you're doing to me now. They lie, they steal, they fooled us. Deep down I probably knew this. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one's perfect. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you are bright white gold. They made us lose our focus. The very same hands that formed us. Go build a better tomorrow. For you I'd make it a rainbow. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one's perfect. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you are bright white gold. With you by my side, I'm not worried. I think we'll be able to find ourselves again. Blank expressions, empty words. Nothing can keep me away from you. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one told us. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you were bright white gold. ourselves again. Blank expressions, empty words. Nothing can keep me away from you. I think I will